Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing fuel lines on a 98 GMC Sierra with LinesToGo part number FL398-J. While this particular installation is on a 98 GMC Sierra, this set of lines will also work on the following year, make, and models as shown in your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors of the connections. Make sure to depressurize the fuel system before starting the installation. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Tools required are a 5/16, 5/8, 3/4, 13/16 of an inch, 13mm, 15mm, and 16mm wrenches, 13mm and 15mm sockets and ratchet, a T20 socket or screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, pliers, a drain pan, and a floor jack and jack stands. To depressurize the fuel system, locate the fuel pump fuse using your owner's manual and remove it. Start the vehicle and wait for the engine to stall. Make sure to replace the fuse once completed. Start by disconnecting the battery using a 5/16 wrench. Using a flat screwdriver, loosen the clamp on the intake tube and disconnect it from the flexible section. Remove the PCV tube and remove the plastic nut on top of the throttle body. Remove the intake tube from the throttle body by picking up on the back and remove it from the vehicle. Remove the spark plug wires from the driver's side of the distributor cap. It may be helpful to mark these to make sure they go back in the same position. Using a T20 screwdriver or socket, remove the 2 screws at the top of the distributor cap. Reposition the distributor cap off to the side to make room to access the 2 threaded fuel line fittings at the rear of the engine. Using a 16mm wrench, remove the 2 threaded fittings located at the rear of the engine. To remove the bracket holding the fuel lines at the transmission bell housing, first remove the nut holding the wiring harness bracket using a 13mm wrench, then remove the bolt using a 15mm wrench. Using a 3/4 and 5/8 of an inch wrench, disconnect the front and rear sections of the return line at the union. The fuel that is currently inside the return line will be lost at this time, so please have a drain pan ready. Next, disconnect the pressure line at the fuel filter using a 13/16 and a 5/8 of an inch wrench. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the front lines from the plastic retaining bracket. Remove the lines from the plastic bracket located halfway up the transmission. Remove the front section of fuel lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your LinesToGo fuel lines, install the portion of fuel line located in front of the fuel filter. Note the easy to follow LinesToGo color-coded connections for ease of installation. Install the next section of return line and start the fittings by hand. Secure both lines into the plastic retaining bracket. For ease of installation, install the two flexible sections of line to the corresponding hard lines as indicated by the color-coded ends. Start the fittings by hand and then tighten using a 5/8 and 3/4 inch wrenches. Remove the metal bracket from the original set of lines and install it on your new front set of lines. Install the forward set of lines into position. Using a 16mm wrench, tighten the two fittings located at the rear of the engine. Install the stud bolt back into place, securing the fuel line bracket and tighten using a 15mm wrench or socket. Install the electrical bracket onto the stud and secure the nut using a 13mm wrench or socket. Connect the two flexible braided lines to the corresponding rear lines matching the color-coded ends. Tighten using a 3/4 inch and 5/8 inch wrenches. Tighten the threaded connections at the fuel filter and return line union at this time. Reposition the distributor cap and tighten the two screws using a T20 socket or screwdriver. Install the spark plug wires into their original locations. Replace the intake tube back onto the throttle body and secure it using the plastic nut. Reinstall the PCV tube and then tighten the clamp securing the flexible tube using a flat blade screwdriver. Using a 5/16 wrench, reconnect the battery. This concludes the installation of fuel lines on a 98 GMC Sierra with LinesToGo part number FL398-J. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.